Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrahari and you people are listening me with this McGraw-Hill can code, and here in this video lecture I would like to tell you those agriculture portion I have written in your environment book as a part B, what is written here and how you should have to proceed this agriculture subject for your mains examination. So how this book will be beneficial for importance of agriculture in UPSC mains examinations. Even agriculture is the part of economy, you can also consider it. Somehow you can connect with the science tech and environment also. That's an interdisciplinary subject. I hope you people can understand very well. And here in this book, the B part of this book is the even agriculture and how this agriculture portion is covered here, what to do, how to do. Of course, for this understanding, you must have to know about your syllabus and you must be very clear like what kind of marks like UPSC has and in which GS paper have a role of agriculture. By the way, these are all the subject like environment, agriculture, disaster management. I hope most of the you people know very well. These all subjects are the part of GS paper 3. And this your environment book is not only for environment but two other subject also included here. The one is environment and one is the agriculture and second one is disaster management also. So in such a way like three subject you can prepare with the help of this environment book. Up now let us start how to complete it. So it's an exclusive program for UPSC mains examinations and this agriculture play a very important role in GS paper 3. Around 35 to 50 marks out of 250 in GS paper 3 UPSC has from agriculture. So definitely guys 35 to 50 marks in GS paper 3 from 2013 to 2020-25 have a good role in your mains examination. So you cannot take agriculture. Okay, just go through them. You must be very serious for your agriculture. So as you people know very well, 35 to 55 marks you got from environment, 35 to 50 you are getting from agriculture. So around 70 to 80 marks you got here, and if you include the disaster management also guys, total 100 marks you are going to cover with your book. Those you people are listening right now, not listening, even reading guys. See, this is your official syllabus, UPSC website. It is mentioned for agriculture. Syllabus of UPSC mains examination as I covered with the help of this book guys. Okay, in this book if you go in the part B, I just going to open the part B here guys. Okay, so part B is total as a agriculture in this book. Okay, and this agriculture is written according to the demand of your mains examinations. What about your syllabus? You just check here guys. Major crops, cropping patterns in various parts of the country, different types of irrigation and irrigation systems, storage, transport and marketing of agriculture produce and issues and related constraints, e-technology in the aid of farmers. Second part, issues related to direct and indirect farm subsidies and minimum support prices, public distribution system, objectives, functioning, limitations, revamping issues of the buffer stock and the food security, technology missions, economics of animal rearing. And third part, according to your syllabus, food processing and related industries in India, scope and significance, location, upstream and downstream requirements, supply chain management. So here, these all the portions are going to cover with the help of your book. Okay, so up now how to complete this all the entire official website based syllabus. So I just this is the division. Okay, if you see your book part B, so in part B agriculture there is a two sections, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 is the agriculture, a complete overview according to demand of UPSC. And section 2 here, UPSC mains model answers of agriculture 2023, 24, 25 is already mentioned here in the written form, and 3 videos of this all the 23, 24, 25 agriculture question paper. Whenever you people scan it, you can listen it. But a part of this guys, 2013 to 2022 UPSC mains of agriculture, all entire model answers. If you go with the scan code, you will get in the written format here with the help of book through H platform. So in such a way, entire mains 2013, 2025, and in the coming future, agar 26, those question paper will come there guys. You can also scan it 2026, 27 videos. You will also get it with the written content also. So in such a way, this book will give you all the current updations time to time. So let us start. In section 1, agriculture, a complete overview There is total 9 chapters. Those I have compiled the entire agriculture part. In these 9 chapters, your all the entire syllabus that you already have seen, that is in UPSC website, is going to cover here, guys. Chapter 1, Foundation of Indian Agriculture. Chapter 2, Cropping Patterns and Irrigation. Chapter 3, Agriculture and Allied Sectors. Chapter 4, Food Processing. Chapter 5, Agriculture Inputs and Technology. Chapter 6, Institutional and Market Reform. Chapter 7, Farmer Welfare and Government Schemes. Chapter 8, Challenges and Way Forward, and Chapter 9, Miscellaneous Topics. And then in the second part, section part 2, UPSC Mains Model Answers Agriculture 25 to 23. It is a video discussions and it is written inside your book. Even further, if you want to see the 2013, 2020, 22 UPSC Mains Model Answer, those UPSC has in your paper from agriculture, if you go with the scan code, it is mentioned on your Edge platform, okay, where your people can read all entire model answers of agriculture. So this is the way as the agriculture is going to cover here, and in such a way your maximum questions of agriculture, your mains based question, you people are able to solve very easily with the help of this book. And see, one thing more here I'll tell you guys, in this agriculture, in different years, how much marks based question UPSC has, those you people will cover with the help of this book. In 2025 have a 35 marks, 2024 50 marks, 23 40 marks, 22 40 marks, 21 25 marks, 20 have a 45, 19 45, 18 have a 60 marks, 17 50 marks, 16 50 marks, 15 50 marks, and 14 37.5. I'm expecting around 50 marks question your paper from agriculture on the basis of analysis from 2013 50 marks till 2020 25. So I just want to tell you maximum number of time 50 marks question UPSC has in your paper from agriculture, 60, even sometimes also 45 45 50. So I'm expecting 50 marks in your paper from even 45 40 is still here, you can see. Okay, so this is the reason you must have to see agriculture. But agriculture have a entire chapters, and all entire chapter is going to cover here in this agriculture. So definitely this book will not only for environment, even it will be very fruitful for your 50 marks of your GS paper 3. So with the help of this book, you are going to cover one more additional subject of your UPSC GS paper 3. Now, what about the UPSC mains question paper? Those UPSC has from 2025. Okay, see, 10, 10, 20, and then 15, 35 marks. Then 2024 have a 10, 10, 20, 20, and plus 30 is total 50 marks. Okay, every questions that you people can see here, guys. Like 2023, those question UPSC as 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and this was the last. So every questions here, model answers, all till 2013, all the model answers are here, guys. So from 13 onwards till today, okay. So you must have to read the books and you just complete your agriculture with the help of my hard work that I have done with the help of this book. I thought I should have to make some video on the B content, B part also. B part means the agriculture part. So I'm very sure this will be beneficial to everyone, and my hard work definitely will pay to my all the students. Those have a trust on me just to make from the last 2 decades. I'm very sure in the coming future I will do something more good for everyone. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all, and Jai Hind. Just a minute, I forget to tell you this PDF, those I have to discuss here, guys. It is already shared on my Telegram, Dr. Ravi P Agrahari officials. If you go, you can get this PDF. It's already uploaded if you literally want it, but by the way, everything's already available in this book. Thank you so much. Yeah. My Telegram is Dr. Ravi P Agrahari officials. Here all entire things available, and if you want to discuss with me regarding your preparation, any doubts, any queries have regarding my subject of environment, science and tech, even in anthropology optional, so you can message me on my WhatsApp number 9911 809 808. Now it's done. Thank you.